The best protein shaker bottles combine value, build, and drink mix quality. This article is for you if you are looking for a new protein shaker bottle, but want to find out which are the best protein shaker bottles. Shaker bottles have evolved, and there are different types of shaker bottles. While they are great for mixing your favorite protein and other powders for great protein shakes at the core, they have also come a long way in features and technology. While the standard protein shaker is still a classic and reliable option, newer protein shaker bottles offer the best high-quality plastic build and better engineered designs. There are numerous options for cheap protein shaker, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost best protein shaker from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BlenderBottle Strada Insulated Stainless. The best protein shaker is the BlenderBottle Strada. It is known by many as one of the best shaker bottle brands, and for a good reason. BlenderBottle makes one of the sturdiest and simple shaker bottles when mixing protein powder and other powders. Insulated shaker bottles have become very popular in recent years. The 24 ounces BlenderBottle stainless steel shaker is an upgrade from their less expensive version because this gym shaker bottle has insulated stainless steel, guaranteed to keep your beverages cold for longer. Like most protein shakers, this BlenderBottle stainless steel insulated shaker bottle also uses a stainless steel blending bowl to mix your protein thoroughly. Number 2. IceShaker Insulated Stainless Steel Shaker. This insulated steel bottle has pulled in over 3,500 reviews on Amazon in a very short time. It seems that the sleek design is catching consumers' eyes, but the quality of the cup and the protein shakes it's making is really making a splash. The 26 ounces with double wall vacuum insulation IceShaker shaker bottle is a beast and might be the best metal shaker bottle on the market. It holds ice for 30+ hours. The leak-proof top and the removable bottle agitator ensure a spill-free experience with a high-quality drink at the end. Bring a portable stainless steel shaker IceShaker bottle in your gym bag, office, pool, beach, camping, hunting, fishing, tailgating, yoga, biking, road trips, hiking, sports games, bodybuilding, everywhere. Number 3. Voltrx Electric Premium Shaker Bottle. In this article, USB-powered shaker bottles revolutionize the blender bottle game. It's like a shaker cup with built-in blender. The Voltrx is one of the two mentioned electric mixers on this list, and a must-have for those who enjoy cool new tech. This Vortex blender shaker bottle is made from high-quality materials, and the quality of the mixed liquids rivals any standard shaker bottle. Voltrx premium protein shaker bottles also have super cool shade-changing lights that give the bottles an extra bit of cool. This Voltrx protein shaker is also extremely capable of mixing protein shakes to the point of no clumps, no lumps. The leak-proof top and the removable bottle agitator ensure a spill-free experience with a high-quality drink at the end. Bring a portable stainless steel shaker IceShaker bottle in your gym bag, office, pool, beach, camping, hunting, fishing, tailgating, yoga, biking, road trips, hiking, sports games, bodybuilding, everywhere. Number 4. ShakeSphere Shaker Bottle. The ShakeSphere shaker bottle makes the best shaker bottles list because it's just as cool and unique as it is effective. From a design perspective, this is something you won't see in other bottles. It is a forward-thinking mixing design intended to get you the best possible protein shakes while looking your best doing so. The 24.6 ounces capacity capsule-shaped blender bottle also can mix down soft fruits, which is a unique feature not seen in other blenders. The leak-proof slide cap also makes sure that no liquid escapes while shaking. The capsule design also makes it incredibly easy to clean the bottom of the shaker bottle. Number 5. PROMIXX MiiXR Pro Electric Powered Shaker Cup. The second electric mixer on the list is the PROMIXX MiiXR Pro Shaker Bottle. This gym shaker bottle is of similar quality material to the other shakers mentioned here, and has a non-leak protein shaker lid. A great bottle for those wanting something a little more exciting than the traditional shaker bottles. Not all blender bottles use blender bowls to mix protein powders and liquid. While this bottle doesn't have the fantastic lights as the Voltrx discussed above, it does come with an integrated NutriPod storage container to take your supplements and powders on the go, which sits right inside the bottle itself. Also, this is a 20 ounces cup with a slightly wider grip than the other shakers. We love this cup for mixing our protein. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.